Now, I've used the Great Hall for many things. Now, this is from playing basketball to doing band rehearsals to assemblies, masses. Now, one of the bad things about the Great Hall is that you have to have exams there. Now, the moment when you're in the foyer, you're just waiting there, worrying about what you're going to have. Especially when you're pressed for time in the exam, you're at the end of the exam, just staring at the basketball hoop and just having to just finish that exam, especially in that plan. Now, my favourite aspect about the Great Hall would be being able to play basketball there. Just go into the Great Hall whenever you like and just be able to play. A few years ago, I started off in a low team called the Gs, and then as I developed, I trained in the Great Hall for hours on end, and then I rose from the Gs to the Cs and to where I am in the Bs.